So, yeah, someone asked, do I play a tune before Saturday? The moment is now, I think. I did not use, or did not put the wooden trim on it yet. I was playing with the filter, and I changed the room, and the reason is this chair, or at least a chair like this, because I normally sit on my couch, but I know at this kind of event they don't have gazillion couches, they have chairs, but they probably hide like this. And I discovered that my method of tilting the loudspeakers does not have a big enough range to cover a seated person on one of those chairs at a given distance. So there's now some piece of wood in here or under here, but I need to make I probably make a roundish thingy where this can sit in, and I'll take them with me and see if I need them, yes or no. Maybe some sort of press fit. Too bad, because it has rubber underneath, but it's not enough. Yeah, or just round discs where it can stand on for now. I mean, normally I am at my couch. I never sit on a chair used for a table. But it's, of course, it's a little bit higher. And yeah, the tilt wasn't enough. So the wooden trims are not there yet. Played 2 tunes. Liability from Lord and one song of Billie Eilish. When the party's over. I'm trying to not use the subwoofer. In my room it actually might be enough. And if I can get away with not using a subwoofer, I will. Because I have huge problems matching them. I'm sitting here and then added the subwoofer and then I inverted. And it's like, I don't know, it sounds the same. Something is not right, I don't know. So implementing a subwoofer is quite hard. And apparently, I've never done it, or maybe 15 years ago, and I cannot say I knew what I was doing, and that's kind of not changed. Still not knowing what I'm doing. It sounds weird. Sometimes it sounds good, but then when I move 2 meters away, it sounds weird again. So if someone has an idea, if I can get away without using any sub, will be great. Yeah, something like this. Hello. So we're pretty far away as well, so there will be some room. Room, noise, gain, reflection, reverb. You can hear a flutter echo here already. Still, it's the ceiling. I can hear it when I clap, so you probably hear it in the music as well. Cannot fix that at the moment. Yeah, let's play a tune. So tomorrow, some modifications, and the trims, they're still drying because they're in, well, oily. The oil doesn't dry very fast. Let's start with
Baby really hurt me, crying in the taxi. He don't wanna know me, says he made the big mistake of dancing in my store. Says it was poison, so I guess I'll go home, into the arms of the girl that I love, the only love I haven't screwed up. She's so hard to please, but she's a forest fire. I do my best to meet her demands, play it romance, we slow dance in the living room, but all that a stranger would see is one girl swaying alone, stroking a cheek. They say, you're a little much for me, you're a liability, you're a little much for me. So they pull back, make other plans, I understand, I'm a liability. Get you wild, make you leave, I'm a little much for everyone. The truth is, I am a toy that people enjoy till all of the tricks don't work anymore. And then they are bored of me. I know that it's exciting running through the night, but every perfect summer's eating me alive until you're gone. Better on my own, they say. You're a little much for me, you're a liability, you're a little much for me. So they pull back, make other plans, I understand, I'm a liability. Get you wild, make you leave, I'm a little much for everyone. They're gonna watch me disappear into the sun. You're all gonna watch me disappear into the sun.
This is a good test. I don't know if the panels will flap against the magnets at the low frequencies that are in this song. So we know after this.
To lose, you can't afford to. Tore my shirt to stop you bleeding, but nothing ever stops you leaving. Quiet when I'm coming home, I'm on my own. Like it like, say I like it like that, like it like that. Like it like, say I like it like that, like it like that. Don't you know too much already? I'll only hurt you if you let me. Call me friend, but keep me closer. And I'll call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home and I'm on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
That's goddamn impressive. At least in my room. Oh yeah, let's do this one. One Terminator 1. First song. 80s. Eat your heart out. Nice 80s fade. I hate the fucking fade. But anyhow, that was without sub. And I know kind of how loud I can put it without much trouble. It depends, of course, if a song has like 30 hertz or 35 hertz. Well, actually more like 40 hertz. 35, 40. That's below the resonance of these panels. But excursion becomes huge and it might not keep up. It tries to make it work, but it cannot. It tries to follow the signal, of course. But I believe resonance is around 50 something, and there it can handle some volume. But if you go to 25 or 30 hertz, it's almost quadruple the amount of excursion, and yeah, well, doesn't work. Anyhow, yeah, so a few things I have to do tomorrow. That is the term of the trims. Nice trims. And this feed problem. If the threaded rod was a little bit longer, it would not have been a problem, but yeah, it's not. So I have to enlarge the feed. Not cool. I think I'll just use some MDF or maybe that's plywood and paint it black so it fits kind of with the feed. Well, that's the way it is. Well, otherwise it sounds weird. Nice focus. You focus on the recorder. I hate this autofocus. Well, I'll see you probably after the whole Saturday. After Saturday. Or maybe if I finished it, I'll post a picture how it looks in the end. So for the people in the Netherlands, if you're interested to listen to all kinds of loudspeakers built by just normal hobbyists, I believe maybe one or two are not hobbyists, I don't know, but at least a very different variety of loudspeakers, from monitors, planars, well, at least I have planars, full ranges. Chris has MFB with planars, also my planars. Well, not anymore, of course, but the same ones that are in here for the mid and high. There is, I believe, also two people that bring Carlsons because it's fun in a big room. There is a loudspeaker with a lot of DSP. They're like, look a bit like eggs, and they have the Purify woofers, two for each loudspeaker, and a Bellissimo tweeter, I believe. So very expensive build, all DSP, and I think that one is semi-commercial, maybe not commercial yet, but I think that's the goal. Just my interpretation, I don't know. So if I'm incorrect, please let me know. Yeah, so very different. Also, people just with, beginners. It's not all high-end stuff. I don't build high-end stuff either. I don't care about cabling, etc. So, just what sounds okay for me and measures decently enough is fine. Well, hopefully, maybe I'll see you on Saturday, and otherwise you'll see me after. Bye bye.